This microwave is sketchy as hell now. It was counting down 3 seconds and then just shutting off without turning on the magneto or anything. I think it had something to do with one of the door switches, like staying shorted or something. I don't know. There are no redundant safeties left in this thing now. Before, there are switches that could cut mains power to things. Now there's just basically a sensor switch that tells the programmable board, oh, it's open, let's turn it off. This malfunctions and doesn't read that properly, it's going to fucking stay on. I had all the switches disconnected and that wire going to the smart board shorted out. Open it, somehow it shuts off. How? Fuck if I know. And then it didn't shut off. I'm like, oh, let's just close that. Yeah. But yeah, there's that buzz of the magneto turning on. And it works. So yeah.